Do you enjoy working independently and outside? Are you looking for a work culture that prioritizes your professional growth? Come work as a field service professional at Spring Green, where you'll provide weed control and fertilization services for lawns in your community. We offer competitive wages, including a sign-on bonus for licensed professionals and a referral bonus. Our comprehensive benefits package includes medical, dental, and vision insurance, disability and life coverage, a 401k plan, paid time off, and paid holidays. Additionally, we provide paid training and licensing to ensure you have the knowledge and skills required for the job, even if you have no prior experience. We provide clean, well-equipped air-conditioned vehicles, and our managers will help support you to be successful in the role. Take pride in doing good work for our customers, just like Dave and Nick did.
Well, I started back in 2011 as a FSP, field service professional. Now I am a general manager for two locations. I'm very passionate about my work. Whether I was a technician or an assistant manager or a branch manager, if you put the work in, you can definitely make something of it. And I would hope to say that I'm an example of that.
I started as a technician in 2003. I did that for many years. We had a good group of people there. The management staff was inspiring, and they made you want to work there. And I aspired to becoming a manager over there, which I eventually did for many years before coming over to the corporate side as a business consultant, working with the franchise owners and helping them grow their businesses and run their operations smoothly. It's definitely somewhere where you can come in, off the street, and there is a future for you if you want it.
Are you ready to join us? Come work at Spring Green as a field service professional or check out other opportunities. Start a career with us today.